Hello again, guys. In this lecture, we are going to discuss how can change the instance attributes of a specific object. Now, there are two ways we can achieve that. So over here, I am continuing with our car example, guys, and I have defined a car class over here, which has some instance methods as well as the init method for initializing the car objects and one class attribute, which is engine, guys. So our pretty much old example. And here, guys, I have also defined two car objects, which are car1 and car2. And now I'm going to show you a way through which you can actually update the instance attributes. So to demonstrate that, first I would like to print the current instance attributes. So I can say, guys, so let's do it in a new way this time. So I can do something like this and this and this dot format, and inside it I can pass in the values like car1 dot make, car2 car1 dot model, and finally car1 dot fuel, guys. Okay, so this statement would actually print me the current instance attributes associated with car1. So if we try to run it now, guys, you can see that it has printed the current attributes which are associated with this object. Now, the way to update that is pretty much simple, guys. So the way you retrieve the instance variables, you can do something like car1.make, and you can update it to a totally new value. So you can make it something like, say, Mahindra 1, for example. You can update the model to some new year, guys. So you can make it say 2019. So our Mahindra car is getting younger, guys. And finally, the fuel type you can update just for the change. Although Mahindra has very few diesel, petrol cars, I am just updating it to petrol just to show you a demo here. And then if I print this line again toward after changing these instance attributes, if I print the line again, then let's see what happens, guys. So you can see here that it printed me two lines. So these were the initial instance attributes, guys, and then we have the updated instance attributes. It's as simple as that. Now there is another way to do it, which is using instance methods. So if I do something like, I am just going to define one instance method here which says self comma make, and the method name can be change make. Okay, guys, and what I can do over here is that I am passing the argument make here, and this method statement I would change as self dot make. So I am changing the instance attribute by assigning it with the new attribute that is there, that is passed in as the argument, guys. So over here, instead of assigning it in this way, I can do something like car1 dot change make. I can now invoke this method on the car1 object because it's an instance method, and inside it I can pass in the new make. So in this case I am passing Mahindra 2, say, for example, guys. So if I do Mahindra 2 here and I run this program again, so this is what it's going to do. It's going to invoke this change make method on the car1 object, and it would assign the new make value to the instance attribute that is already part of the object. So when I run this module, guys, again, you can see the output. God, Mahindra 2 is not defined. Let's see what's the error, guys. Oh my God. Okay. So I have forgot to put the double quotes here because it's of type string, guys. And if I run it now again, this time it should be fine. And yes, you can see the initial attributes are here and the changed attributes are now here, guys. And you can see it's updated to Mahindra 2. So this is one way through which you can actually update the instance attributes associated with objects. I hope, guys, this lecture was clear to you. If it is clear, please move on to the next lecture, or in case of any doubts, you can ask me in the question and answer section, guys, and I would be happy to answer it. Thank you.